Where to enter a 1098 form in H&R Block online. Are you looking to report mortgage interest on other payments on your tax return using Form 1098? Form 1098 is essential for reporting various types of incomes, expenses to IRS, including mortgage interest, student loan interest, and tuition payments. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to enter a 1098 form in H&R Block online. Access the link that says H&R Block Form 1098. Once on the web page, read through the information provided to understand the purpose and significance of Form 1098. Familiarize yourself with different types of Form 1098 and the information they report. Note that 1098 form typically contains 6 boxes of information, each reporting specific details regarding the payments made and received. They have different name, address, and taxpayer identification number of the payer and recipient, as well as the amount of interest paid or received. Log into your H&R Block online account and then navigate to the section of H&R Block online account where you can enter your income and deductions. Select the option to add new income source or deduction, then choose the appropriate form type from the menu. Enter the information from your Form 1098 into the corresponding fields and then double check on any errors or typos errors. Once you're satisfied with everything information you kept, you can save your changes and proceed with completing the rest of tax return in H&R Block online. And this was everything you needed to know about entering a Form 1098.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.